Hey guys, I hope you enjoy that lip sync battle video of John Krasinski and Anna Kendrick. There's a lot of really fantastic lip sync battle episodes if you've never seen them, but very few of them are school appropriate for me to incorporate into my lessons. So if your mom or dad or guardian is okay with you watching lip sync battle and finding other videos, totally check them out. They're some really amazing ones. Um, but this is our first project, and so I really want you guys to A, enjoy this project, and B, just go for it. Have the most fun you can possibly have. So here's my expectations for the project, and I will type this up also so that you have it to look at. My expectation is that you will record a video of you lip syncing to a song. The song must be school appropriate, okay? You must be okay with other people possibly seeing your video, okay? So just like if we were on campus this time of the year, I would be making you do a little mini skit in front of your classmates just to get you used to performing. So since we don't really have that option this year, this is my way of kind of getting you to perform, but also maybe having fun. I would recommend that you find a song that maybe you really know really well, that you know is school appropriate. Disney songs work fantastic. If you're into theater and you like musical theater songs, they are perfect too, as you will see, because I did a couple examples. Um, but I want you guys to just really try your best. And this is my way to kind of see who is really comfortable in their own skin and who has maybe natural potential to be an actor. Who do I need to kind of help push their way toward in what direction and that sort of thing. So if you're not naturally amazing at it, that's okay. I'm not going to judge you. I'm going to grade you guys on this. Um, and it is a project grade. So you need to do this. If you don't do this, it's going to be a big fat zero in the grade book. But what I'm looking for more than anything is your participation and how well you follow the instructions. That's what you're going to be graded on this time. How far above and beyond you go, that's entirely up to you. I will say I'm a theater teacher, so the more over dramatic you are, the more into it you are, the more I'm going to enjoy it. And I'm going to give you some examples of what I mean by that. In a little bit. So again, you are singing a song, or not singing it, you are lip syncing a song, you are recording it, uploading it to Schoology next Tuesday. Okay. So today is Thursday. It's my day to give you the assignment and give you examples. Make sure you understand what's expected of you. Friday, you will have a opening act and a curtain call to do. The rest of the class time, you should be rehearsing your lip sync, okay? Monday, same thing. Curtain call, or I'm sorry, opening act, curtain call. You have the rest of the class period to work on your song and perfecting it, okay? And then Tuesday is the day that it's due. So I would recommend if you haven't recorded your video sometime on Monday, take those last few minutes in class on Tuesday to get it perfect. You're not going to have to perform them in a Zoom call or anything like that. I'm not going to make any of you have to watch each other's, which would be awesome. If any of you are comfortable with me sharing them, I'll see if I can find a way to share them. Otherwise, please don't freak out. The only one who is going to see them is me. So don't be shy. Okay. And yeah, so they will be due on Tuesday, like I said, and they are your first project grade. What I'm looking for again is participation. Did you do it? Were you willing to do it? Were you comfortable? And how will you follow those few very basic rules? Time wise, the song has to be at least 2 minutes. I repeat, the song must be at least 2 minutes, preferably nothing over 4 to 5 minutes. That's a pretty long song as it is. The average song is about 3 minutes, 50 seconds. So that would be great, which is so weird to think that music only lasts like a couple of minutes. It's so weird. But I never really thought of that before, that songs are so short. But yeah. Sorry, my mind got blown there for a second. So let's talk a little bit about what do I mean by being dramatic versus not dramatic. So I actually recorded 2 videos of me going like full dramatic into 2 songs from the show Hamilton. And they are separate, so I'm going to share them in a little bit. But I just want to give you a little example of like what not to do or what is going to kind of kill my theater soul if you present. So I'm going to minimize my screen for a second. And I'm going to play a song from Hamilton, and I'm just going to act like I really am not good at this project. Okay?
Poor and a Scotsman dropped in the middle of a forgotten spot in the Caribbean, by providence impoverished and squalor, grow up to be a hero and a scholar. The $10 founding father without a father got a lot farther by working a lot harder, by being a lot smarter, by being a self-starter. By 14 they placed him in charge of a trading charter.
And every day while slaves were being slaughtered and carted away across the waves, he struggled and kept his guard up.
Okay, do you guys see what I mean? Was that at all interesting for you to watch? Did it look like I was enjoying myself? Did it look like I got joy from the song or from the assignment or anything? Not at all. I want to see you guys totally enjoying yourselves and having the most fun. So on that note, I'm going to share with you the 2 videos that I did from Hamilton. One is more of a rap, so it's a little bit different, and then the other one is a slower song, which I think I did better on the second one, so you be the judge of that. They're not perfect by any means. I actually messed up quite a few times, so it's okay to mess up, but I did want you guys to see that I am okay with doing the projects that I give you, and I will try and keep that up all year long, okay? So on that note, this video is getting really long, so I'm going to stop now and play those other 2.